wheel number 2 on the Audi Q8. See this right here? That's pretty deep. I'm going to hit that with the grinder. This I could sand out, but since I already have the grinder on, I'm just going to knock that down real quick too and then just sand it up. I'll get it set up. If you wouldn't mind hitting the like and subscribe buttons, I'm going to start grinding on this wheel now. These are linked down in the description below, along with everything else I use to repair rims.